Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into US legal forms step by step clearly. Open your web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for US legal forms. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to navigate to the website. Once the home page loads, look for the Login button. This button is usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the Login button. You will be redirected to the login page. On the login page, locate the fields for your username and password. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, enter your password in the password field. Double-check that your information is correct. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once your information is entered correctly, click on the Login button. Wait for a moment as the system processes your login request. If your login is successful, you will be taken to your account dashboard. If there is an error, check your username and password again. You may also consider refreshing the page and trying to log in again. Once you are on your dashboard, you can access all features available to your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.